Hello YouTube, this is a replacement back cover of your iPhone 4 installation. So here we go, this is my iPhone 4 and we're just going to unscrew it. So I'm going to do a full run through of what to do, how to do it and what not to do. So here it is. If you can see here, you probably can't, so I'll zoom in for you. That focuses up. Okay, so here we have the bottom of the iPhone 4. All we're going to do is take this pentalobular screwdriver, and it's very, very small. It only cost me £1.95. Bit of a deal. It looks like it's rounded on the end, but it's not. It's so here we go. Turn it over and very carefully unscrew these screws. Make sure to lay it on something soft so you don't scratch the screen of your iPhone. Now make sure when you do unscrew it, don't screw it back up. So that it rounds off the inside. We can start to, once those two screws are unscrewed, push the top pallet up, I think. There we go, it's just placed up, and just lifts off very gently. Wow, okay. Now, we have the guts of the iPhone 4. Let's go and get our new replacement for the back, and I've actually bought a clear one so that you can actually see the inside of the iPhone. And let's do that right now. Very gently place it on top and then slide it down once again into place. Okay, brilliant. All we need to do now is screw them back in. This is such an easy thing to do, but you could go wrong if you lose the screws, or do anything else. So this is very, very, very small, as I've said many times. And there we go. It's all done. In the process of doing this, I've actually managed to shred the pentalobular screw here, if it focuses, so that now it's sort of rounded off on the inside of the screw, which is very bad if you don't know what you're doing. I know what I was doing. I don't know if you can actually reorder these little tiny screws. But yeah, here we go, it's installed, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like now. If I peel this off. Whoa! That looks amazing. There we go. See that? You can see all the guts and all the insides of the iPhone. There you go, folks. Thanks for watching. It's been an installation of the iPhone 4 replacement back cover. Okay. The faster